23 maybe.
23.
No, but 24.
We are now in
This
24.
was.
Cinemania.
This was. Yes. Got it.
Okay, this one. Cinemania.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So actually, Ruslana, if you want to have speaking lesson, okay, we can also have that one. Example, today we're going to have ED, and then next time we're going to have another lessons. Aside from this one, we can have another lesson. Okay, if you want, you tell me. Okay, so there's a listening. Okay, I can show you with the listening lesson. Okay, so today
Yes.
we're gonna have this ED lesson, and in the next class we're gonna have developing. It's for adult. It's adult lessons. Okay, actually I get it from the Cambridge University Cambridge lesson for adults. So we can also use this one. Okay, it's like there's a listening and you have to speak it up. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. For today, I will have here describe what you see. Okay. So look at this one. What have you seen in the picture?
I see fast food.
Yes, it's script and popcorn. Oh, do you like to eat this one?
No.
You don't like that much.
Sometimes yes, but no, I don't like it.
Okay, okay. So it's not healthy. Actually, it's not healthy. Okay. So, if you were going to the cinema, when was the last time you watched movie in the cinema?
Uh, a lot of time ago. I Now I don't go to the cinema
Yeah,
because
of the
war.
war. Yeah, because
War.
it's very, what do you call that one? It's very scary when you will be inside the cinema and there's a bomb. My God, it's not really safe. Okay, so better
And
to stay at
I
home.
don't I hasn't mood for this.
Oh, you haven't good mood for this. Oh, you didn't
Mood,
like,
yes.
okay, yeah, good mood.
Yes.
So you didn't like watching movie, but you watch movie in the TV.
Yes, we watch movie in TV, Netflix or Megogo and other
Ah,
platforms.
yeah, there's a Netflix in your
Yes,
country.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
wow, that's good. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, so I know you don't like to eat chips. Okay, and how about fast food? Food. Do you eat outside your house, like in a food chain?
I like McDonald's.
Oh, there's a
Be
McDo there. How about Jollibee? Is
yes.
there Jollibee?
Uh,
No.
Please repeat for me.
Jollibee.
How?
It's like McDo. It's like McDonald's. Jollibee.
Yes, yes. Because I can drive a car and eat McDonald's.
Okay, so you were gonna order McDonald's.
Mhm,
Okay, so here. So we have here vocabulary, Roslana.
mhm.
Okay, so we have here the word understudy. Okay, it means a person who learns
Understudy.
another role in order, sorry, to be able to act at short notice in their absence. To learn the lines across in a play so that you can replace them. So this is what we call understudy. So when you are in the movie, in the film, there is understudy. Okay.
Mhm,
Replacement. This is actually replacement or substitute. That is another term
mhm,
for understudy.
mhm.
Okay, this one, take.
Take something, get something. Take, oh, another.
Yeah, I will take it. If you take something to reach out of it and hold it, okay, the filming of a scene, okay. But this one, this is take one, take two, or this one. It's in the film. But your meaning with take is okay. That's okay. You take, you get something. Let's take,
Yes.
that's also another take. Okay, this one. Suspense.
Suspense.
Okay, you're feeling excited. You're suspense. You're feeling excited or anxious. Uncertainty about what may happen. That's suspense. Okay.
Not
So what?
nervous.
Yeah, you feel nervous. Okay. You're like you're holding your hands, your palm like that because oh my God, I feel it's so suspense. Okay. Look at that in the cinema. Okay, look at their faces. Okay, next one, spice up.
Spice up.
Okay, like
Spice up.
spice up, when you say the word spice up, another meaning is you make more interesting or exciting things. You spice up. Okay? Please, okay, I want to spice up my life. It means you have to make your life more interesting or more exciting. So spice up. Okay, another one. So soundtrack.
Soundtrack. About music, maybe.
Correct. It's about music. It's soundtrack. Okay. The recording of musical instrument. Okay, next is short.
Short. Short. Short movie.
A short movie, very little movie. Okay, like that.
Short movie.
Screenwriter.
Screenwriter. It's a person. Person
Who writes a
who writes
screenplay.
screenplay.
Okay, that's screenwriter.
Screenwriter.
Another one, we have screenplay.
Screenplay.
Okay, this one. It's a movie itself. Okay, it is the script of a film, including acting, instruction, and scene directions. Okay, this is the
It is the same play plot. Yes.
Yeah, it
Or
is
no?
some kind. This is how you will gonna do a play script. It's a script of film. Okay, so it is a script, a paper. When you have a movie, when you do a movie, you need to have script. So this is a script of the film. And the scene directions, the script of film, including acting instructions and scene directions. Okay, in this screenplay, you can see in there how you are gonna act. Okay, what are the scene? Okay, you can read in here. So if you are actress, celebrity, and you are the main character, you have to watch this one. You have to read. Okay. Okay, review.
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 Review, it means
What?
ah,
Review.
yes. Write a critical appraisal book. Okay, like when you take, when you become a teacher, you have to get your license. Okay, license as a teacher. If you pass the exam, okay, so you need to have review. What is review? Write a critical appraisal or book. So this is another review. Example, when you eat in restaurant and you are the blogger, you know blogger? The one in the internet? Or the one who make
Yes, yes.
YouTubes? Okay, so if you are a blogger, you will gonna go to that new restaurant and eat. After that, okay, after that, you will gonna leave a review. Okay, that is review. Okay, like the restaurant is good. but it's untidy. The restaurant is very expensive. Okay, that's it.
I write a review on students' thesis, students' work.
Thesis.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, so we have retake. What do you mean by retake? Okay, so we have, okay, reshoot a film sequence. From the word re, it means repeat, retake. So you have to take again the tests. If you cannot pass, you have to take the tests. Okay, next one. Release.
Release. Short message about movie, maybe.
Okay, so a film or product made available to the public. It's the release of the new film. What is the new film now? Oh, it's horror. Is there a release? So when it is said released, you can watch it in the cinema. Okay, that's releasing of movie. Off screen. What do you mean by off screen?
Off screen. Open screen.
Open
I don't
screen?
know.
Okay, like we're not appearing in a film. It did not appear. It becomes the off screen.
I like background, maybe.
Okay, yeah, background. Okay,
Backstage.
next one. Obsessed. What do you mean by the word obsessed? I am obsessed upon thinking of you. Obsessed, it means, okay, something you are obsessed about something, you keep thinking about it, and it's difficult to think about anything else. Okay, so this is obsessions. Some other girls, they have obsessions on buying a lot of things. Okay, that's obsessed. So you have a lot of obsessions, even though you do not have money. Oh, I can have this. It's iPhone 15. Okay, so that's obsessions.
Obsessions. Obsessions. Minor.
Okay, so it means lesser in
Control.
importance, seriousness, and small. Okay, lesser important, seriously, or significance. Means child, second, and small. Minor, it's not minor, it's minor.
Minor.
Okay, main.
Main.
Okay, okay. The main character of the movie, chef in size or importance. Okay, Johnny Depp. Okay, next one, understudy. What do you mean understudy? So it means, okay, person who learns the rule in order to be able to start short notice. Okay, so there is a movie like this. Okay, I Love the Girl. Okay, so next one, take. Okay, we're done with this. Wait, take.
It's repeat.
Repeat already. This is the first one, repeat. Okay, so let us move now to get to know. Wait, so we have here passive continuous. Okay, so I guess we are done with this. Passive continuous, this is still a review for you. Okay? So we know this already, Ruslana. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and everybody, they are the subject. Of course, I, we, you, and they are plural. He, she, it, and everybody, they are singular. Okay, you know the rule for this. Okay, we have the be verb form. Okay, so I. Okay, I. So because you need to find these be verbs. Okay. So this one, okay, Example, the film
Mhm.
is being cut right now. You are going to
Mhm.
see it on the screen not early than in 3 months. Okay,
Mhm.
so you can have here the film is being cut right now. Okay, you are going to see it on the screen earlier than 3 months.
Mhm.
Okay, so we have here again, we have the affirmative, we have the negations, and of course, we have questions.
Mhm.
Okay, please try to answer.
Mhm. The scene where Leon kisses Natalie is retaking right now.
Okay, what is your
B is
letter?
the scene where I
The
don't know.
scene where, okay, the scene where Leon, okay, kisses Natalie is retaking right now.
I don't know.
Okay, the scene where Leon kisses, wait, correct the mistakes. I don't know. Okay, it's being retaken. Okay, it's being
It's
retaken.
been retaken.
Retaken.
Mhm.
This is present progressive tense. Okay,
It's
here.
been retaken. Mhm. The main actor was scolded by everyone while I was making a cup of coffee. I was making uh,
Okay, the main actor was scolded by everyone while I was making a cup of coffee. What do you think?
was scolded, was
Was
making,
scolded?
and was
Okay, let
making.
us see. Okay, was being
Being
scolded.
scolded.
Okay. Yeah, you are correct that the mistake is was scolded.
I don't understand it.
Okay, the main actor was being, you know what, do you know the meaning of scolded? Scolded, like when, oh, why are you doing this? You have to do
Mhm.
this. Okay, that's being scolded. Okay, by everyone while I was making a coffee. Okay, two action. First, the main
Correction.
actor was being scolded by everyone. Okay, that's the first.
Mhm.
Second, while
Mhm.
I was making a cup of coffee. That's the second.
Mhm.
Okay?
Mhm. Is your new movie being reviewed? Being reviewing, being reviewed by all major and
Okay.
critics these days.
Is your new
Um,
movie blank all major?
I
Is your
think
answer?
being reviewed, being first.
Okay, the answer is being reviewed. Being reviewed.
Review.
Yeah,
Reviewed.
okay. Is your new movie being reviewed by all major NY critics these days? You're famous now.
Mhm.
Okay, so it is being reviewed.
Being reviewed. Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
Dog's
Look at this.
purpose was reviewing by that critic from the New Yorker when I went home.
Okay.
Went.
Yes. Okay. Dog's purpose was reviewing by the clinic from New Yorker when I went home. What is the meaning? What do you think is the meaning for this?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay. Dog's purpose was reviewing by that critic from New Yorker when I went home. Okay. The answer is was being reviewed. Okay, the same. The last thing was being. Okay, so dog's purpose was being reviewed by the critic home from New Yorker when I went home. Okay, next one.
Luckily, our screenwriter won't interview it the next week. Interviewed. Being won't being interviewed next week. Maybe second being. No. Be interviewed. Won't be. Third. Luckily, our screenwriter won't be interviewed next week. Third.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Ruslana, very good. Okay, next one. Correct the mistakes.
All viewers in the cinema were kept in suspense right now. Were kept right now. Were being kept. Were being kept.
Okay, all
Right now.
viewers were kept in suspense right now.
Were being kept. Are being.
Are being kept.
Right now.
Correct.
Are being kept. Do you hear? You. Do you hear? You nominate for the best minor role right now.
Okay. We
No,
release. You just try to type.
Will the release announce from 4:30 tomorrow? Will
Okay.
the release announce?
The answer is announce.
Be announcing.
Okay, so this one, be announced.
Be announced. The screenplay edit by special commissions from 9 to 11 tomorrow. The screenplay tomorrow was being edited.
Okay,
Maybe.
Tomorrow the screenplay from 9 to 11 tomorrow. Answer?
Was
Okay, will be edited.
will be
Correct.
edited. Will be.
Okay.
The festival shorts watched by the jury while we were making up the program. We were making up shorts. Festival shorts.
Okay, let me see. Was being watched by jury. Okay. Making up the program. Okay, was being watched. It's present continuous. Okay, next one we have. Oh, completed. Actually, we cannot give the answer because we are not using the AD form. So we cannot give answer for this. You cannot check your answer because you are not in the AD form. Okay? So look at this one. So what would you choose? Example, you will go to the cinema. Okay. So what would you choose? Movie, fantasy movie, or film that reflects real me?
I would choose a film that reflects real life. I don't like a fantasy movie.
You didn't like fantasy movie. How about real one, documentary?
Yes, documentary,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, it's very nice, right? Documentary is very nice. Do you agree, Ruslana, that no film should be censored? Do you agree with this?
Censored. That films should ever be censored and why? Yes, I think that interesting movie should be censored.
Okay, yes, I
Um,
understand. Okay, okay. So, do you agree that no film should be ever censored? It should be censored. Okay. Why do you
Mhm.
think, Ruslana number 2, why do you think films should be censored?
I think yes, film should be censored.
Okay, so there's another, okay, but actually, there's a label, okay, adults only, okay, like kids, okay. So it's not easy to bring kids because somehow they will gonna cut it out, okay.
Mhm.
Some holiday stars are paid 15 billion per movie. Is this too much?
Some Hollywood stars are paid per movie. In this too much?
Okay.
Maybe yes.
Maybe
Yes.
yes. Some are paid 15 million per visit to was okay. It's extravagant. Okay. Who
Mhm.
is your favorite screenwriter?
Screenwriter.
Yes.
Uh, uh, I don't remember screenwriter. I remember actors, but don't remember screenwriter.
Okay. A screenwriter is the writer of the movie. Okay. So
Mhm.
whatever happened there, okay, the screenwriter will gonna do its next like that. So aside from you write, okay. Do you know, a famous screenwriter?
Um, oh, Боже, I forgot. Short memory.
Short memory. Okay. Okay. What is the scariest movie you have seen in your life? Scariest.
Scariest movie you have ever seen? Yes, I have ever seen scariest movie,
Okay, the
but
scariest movie.
scariest movie. I had seen movie Avatar
Yeah, yeah.
in 3D cinema, 3D cinema,
Okay,
and I was sick. I feel bad. I feel bad. I have headache and another. I feel very bad
Okay,
in
yeah.
3D cinema. In 3D cinema, it's not about scariest, but about about my feeling.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Old fashioned films. Would you like to rewatch again? Example, 1970, you're a teacher already. Okay. So you will gonna have, you like rewards? Okay. Or you will be the uh you
Mm.
will be the people all over the world.
So, six question. Yes, six.
Yes,
What
number
all
6.
question?
Films would like to
Film
watch.
like to rewatch and why? Um, I like rewatch Ukrainian film, old-fashioned film.
Okay, old fashioned.
Ukrainian. Yes.
Yeah, okay. What are people all over the world obsessed with Marvel films? Okay, I don't know. I'm not familiar with Marvel. So I don't know about
Uh,
this. How about you?
I don't understand this question. Why are people over world obsessed?
So why
Obsessed.
are people over the world obsessed with Marvel days?
What means obsessed? Obsessed with Marvel films. Чому with Marvel films? I think Marvel films is very famous.
Okay. 8. Do soundtracks are sound, play an important role in the filmmaking? Is it good to use
Yes,
soundtrack?
mhm. Yes, I think soundtracks play an important role because it people remember soundtracks and people mm,
Yeah, the soundtrack.
I like some soundtracks and I know about film by soundtracks. I remember some films uh, from soundtracks.
Okay, yes, yes. Okay. Soundtrack play important role in the filmmaking. If there is no soundtrack, Roslana, okay, the effect of your movie that you shoot is not good. Okay, that is soundtrack. Okay. So, do you think a movie has to be expensive to make and become blockbuster? Do you think that?
A movie has to be expensive to make to
Okay.
become
Yeah,
a
that's good.
blockbuster.
Okay,
Why?
so next one. Are minors characters worth paying your attention and why?
Pay your attention to and why actors worth paying your attention. I think sometimes minor characters uh, is um, more important, more interesting maybe.
Okay. So, okay,
As
do
for
you
me.
think, do you think a movie has to be expensive? Yeah, of course, that's given already. It is very expensive, especially if we run in 1 year and 1 million or 2 million peso, that you will going to have this. Are minor
Mhm.
characters worth paying your attention? Okay. What are minors worth paying your attention? So what is that? What is this?
I don't understand this question. My characters worth
Okay.
paying
Are
your
minors characters worth paying your attention? Worth your attention. Minor characters, like minor. Okay. Are minor characters those who are not important in the movie? We call them minor character.
I don't understand this.
Okay. Are minor characters worth paying paying your attention to? Okay, so it means the minor characters worth paying. Example, she's not the main actor. She is the
Mhm.
main actress. This is the main actor, the main actress. But they
Mhm.
have this. They got what they call one. They have their the the student is wearing example. Okay. So you are in the movie. Okay. So there is main actor and the rest of
Mhm.
them, we call them minor characters. Okay. So minor characters, it's not the main character in the movie? So, are minors worth paying attention? Okay, do you think we can pay attention? Or do we think minor character is important in the movie? In the movie, do you think it is important?
Maybe yes.
Yeah, maybe yes, it's
Yes.
important. It depends on the
Sometimes
movie.
yes.
Sometimes yes, correct. Okay, so it means,
Mhm.
do we need to pay attention with those minor characters?
Paying attention.
Do we need to
I
pay
don't understand
attention?
paying.
Oh, pay attention, it means you will have to look after them. Pay attention. Example,
Uh-huh.
you and me are talking, Ruslana. So you have to pay attention to teacher. You have to listen. You have to listen. You have to talk. Okay,
Uh-huh.
communicate.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm. I
Do you,
see.
yeah. Do you
understand.
think you will pay attention to the minor characters? Yes or no?
Yes, sometimes, yes, of course.
Okay,
Mhm.
of course. Okay, it is
Mhm.
very important to pay attention to the
Mhm.
character. Okay,
Mhm.
pay attention to the character. Okay,
Yes,
why?
yes.
Why do you think we need to pay attention?
It depends on actor or actress. How actor, how actress. Mhm.
Hey, of course, we have to pay attention, correct? We have to pay attention because they are also part in the movie, right? They are minor,
Mhm.
but they are part in the movie. Okay, example, Ruslana, in the movie, you are the main character. I am your best friend. So I am only minor character in the movie. But you
Mhm.
have to pay attention to me. Maybe because what if I get wrong when I memorize my lines, the script that the script
Mhm.
writer gives to me. I memorize that one. Okay, I will mess up the film. Okay, so that is why minors characters worth paying your attention. So you have to pay attention also. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes,
This is
yes.
what are minor characters worth paying your attention? Yes, they are. Okay. They're worth
Mhm.
paying attention because they're minor. Okay. So we don't know
Mhm.
minor, huh? Like, we don't know if it's adult, if the minor character is just 10 years old. Oh, we don't know about that. It really depends on the movie, Roslana. Okay?
Mhm.
Yes, I
Yes.
understand.
Mhm.
Okay, so
Mhm.
these are the different questions about the movie. Of course, when we watched the movie, we felt excited. Okay, so but he told me, no, I don't want to watch. It's in the house. Okay, you watch in the house,
Mhm.
Netflix.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Uh,
Netflix. What else
yes.
aside from Netflix?
Netflix, Megogo. Mm, mm, uh, that's all. Netflix
Okay.
and Megogo,
Megogo.
platform.
What is
Yes.
Megogo?
Another platform like Netflix.
Okay, new Megogo. In my country, we have
Megogo.
Bilibili. We have so many. But Netflix, of course, is famous in my country. So we have
Yes,
to
yes.
pay less, only less, not too expensive.
Mhm.
Okay. So now our topic Cinemania, you can check that we are talking about film. We are talking about how important film
Mhm.
making. Okay, so we are talking here about fantasy movie. Okay, like that. And so it depends. Okay, we're talking differently.
Mhm.
Okay, so
Mhm.
here, because on the next topic, as what I told you, Ruslana, we can probably have it on, okay, on the next meeting. So in next meeting, I will show you the developing for adults. Okay, it's communication skills and listening for adults. We will gonna study that one.
Okay.
But of course, we
Okay.
will continue this in the next. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. If you have question, Ruslana, about the meaning, you can, okay, by the way, if you have concerns, questions, you can message me in the Facebook. Okay? Please message me. I will
Okay.
reply. Okay?
Mhm.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So I will see you on next Sunday again.
Yes. Next Sunday. Yes.
In the same time.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Mhm.
you just tell me your free time. Okay, I will follow. Okay?
Mhm. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Ruslana, for today. God bless, and I will see you next Sunday for developing class adults. Okay, at least
Okay.
you
Okay.
can have options. You can have options. You can widen,
Mhm.
you can widen your knowledge. You can check your knowledge
Mhm.
based on different materials. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you
okay.
very much. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much, Ruslana.
Mhm. And write me about paying. Can I pay you?
Okay, in the bank,
Uh,
in my bank. Okay.
yes. Mhm.
Yeah.
Write me.
So,
Yes.
yeah,
Mhm.
how many session you will gonna get for only, right?
5, maybe 5.
Ah, 5. Okay, 5 session
Yes.
first. Okay. Yes,
Mhm.
okay. Yeah, I will just message you where to have the bank. I mean
Okay.
the bank account. Okay? So I hope you learned
Yes. Yes.
something. Yeah. Ruslana, go.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good night, Ruslana. And if you have questions regarding regarding what you want to know, like this, please message me. You can message me anytime. If you ask,
Okay.
if you find it hard, you can tell me. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Mhm.
Ruslana. Bye-bye. God
Mhm.
bless.
Bye. 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 Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.